Windows are more than just a way to let in light and fresh air. They play a major role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Tuscaloosa, where hot summers, humid conditions, and occasional storms put extra stress on your home, keeping your windows in good condition is essential. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are the most common signs that your home could benefit from new windows. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed your energy bills creeping higher, your windows may be to blame. Drafty or poorly insulated windows allow cool air to escape during summer and warm air to leak out during winter. In Tuscaloosa's climate, this means your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient replacement windows can help reduce heat transfer, making your home more comfortable while lowering monthly utility costs. Difficulty opening and closing windows should open and close smoothly, but over time, frames can warp, swell, or become damaged. If you find yourself struggling to open your windows, or they stick and won't stay up without propping, that's a clear indicator of wear. Not only is this inconvenient, but it also creates a safety concern in the event of an emergency when quick access is necessary. Visible damage or decay. Tuscaloosa's humid weather and occasional storms can take a toll on window frames. If you see signs of rot, warping, or cracked frames, it's likely past time for a replacement. Damaged windows aren't just unsightly, they can compromise your home's structure by allowing water to seep in, leading to mold, mildew, or further damage. Drafts and hot spots. Do you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed? Drafts are a sure sign your windows are no longer sealing properly. You might also notice certain rooms are hotter or colder than others because your windows aren't insulating evenly. Replacing old windows with modern, double or triple pane glass can eliminate drafts and make your indoor spaces more comfortable year-round. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fog or condensation trapped between layers of glass, your window's seal has failed. This means the insulating gas between panes has escaped, reducing the window's efficiency. Once this happens, the only solution is replacing the window, as the seal cannot be repaired. Left unchecked, these windows continue to waste energy and cloud your view. Excessive noise from outside your home should feel like a quiet, comfortable retreat. But if you constantly hear traffic, construction, or other neighborhood noise, your windows may not be providing enough sound insulation. Modern replacement windows are designed with better seals and insulation that can significantly reduce outside noise, giving you the peace and quiet you deserve. Outdated appearance. Windows have a big impact on curb appeal. If your windows look dated, faded, or no longer match your home's style, replacing them can instantly refresh your property's exterior. New windows not only improve your home's appearance but can also increase its resale value, a major advantage if you're considering selling your Tuscaloosa home in the future. Frequent repairs. Are you constantly repairing broken locks, cracked glass, or warped frames? At some point, repairs cost more than replacement. Investing in new windows gives you a long-term solution, saves money in the long run, and spares you the frustration of repeated maintenance. Final thoughts. Your windows work hard to protect your home from Tuscaloosa's changing weather, but they won't last forever. If you've noticed drafty rooms, climbing energy bills, or frames showing signs of damage, it's time to consider new windows. Modern replacement windows improve efficiency, boost comfort, and enhance the look of your home. By recognizing these signs early, you can make a smart investment that pays off in both savings and comfort for years to come.